Okay, class, so stand up. So, good afternoon and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so may I call Miss Enzing to lead the prayer?
Amin. Alhamdulillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin.
Okay, so thank you, Miss Enzing. So, class, before we go to proper seat, please make sure na malinis ang inyong paligid. Okay, so arrange your chairs. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please take your seat. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, class. So now, Miss Secretary, please pakilis ang name ng absent and give it to the director.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so thank you. So, class, I have a question for you. So, can someone recall a previous topic and share their name about it? Okay, yes, Miss Daluhan.
Ma'am, it's all about preparation of construction of the building.
Okay, so very good. So now, class, I have here two pictures, which is I will group you into two groups. So for that is magpo-form muna kayo ng circle. So this is group 1 and this is group 2. So make circle. Okay na ba?
Yes.
Okay, so now class, I have here two pictures. So as you can see, this is similar. Okay, so what are you going to do is I will give it to you, class, and then this is for group 1 and this is for group 2. So ang gagawin niyo, class, is since magkagrupo kayo, is lahat ng ideas or knowledge nyo about dyan sa picture is ibubuo niyo. Then after that, pipili kayo ng representative nila, which is isa lang. So, mag-explain dito sa harapan. So, I will give you 5 minutes. Okay, class, are you good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so group 1.
So, since naman the same tayo ng ibigay ni ma'am, so, ito is, nakikita nyo naman is nag-share idea nila and also yung mga kumbaga group discussion din sila kung ano ba yung mga idea nila about doon sa ano nila, pag-ibig.
Okay, so thank you.
Good afternoon. So as you can see, although we are the same, and this picture is all about the. As you can see, this is a meeting gathering, or this is a group presentation, which is the group meeting also. As you can see, yung mga office mates or group meetings nila is parang may ginag-gather sila na something like pinag-uusapan nila important meetings.
Okay, so thank you. So since my idea na kay Jen is, class, I have a question for you. Pag-iayos naman natin yung mga upuan. Are you good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now, class, what do you Henry.
Number 2, describe the step-by-step process of conducting a focus group discussion, including participant recruitment, moderator selection, and data recording.
Okay, so the third one is Ms. Lahukan.
The third one is explain the concept of institutional competency evaluation or ICE and its importance in training programs.
Okay, so thank you. So now, class, our topic for today is focus group discussion, and the second one is institutional competency evaluation. So now, when we say a focus group discussion or FGD is a qualitative research method where a small group of individuals, typically 6 or 12 people, discuss a specific topic under the guidance of a moderator. So it aims to explore participants' perceptions, attitude, beliefs, and experience on a particular issue. So when we say focus group discussion, class, is ito yung grupo ng mga tao na which is nasa 6 or 8 or 12 na member doon sa group na yun. So di ba common naman sa inyo lahat yung sinasabing groupings, di ba? Kasi yan naman yung ginagawa natin every pumapasok tayo sa ating school, di ba? So
Yes,
ibig sabihin may experience na kayo. Di ba?
Yes,
So di ba
ma'am.
sa sinasabing groupings is meron tayong tinatawag na member and leader. So now, dito naman sa focus group discussion class is meron tayong tinatawag na moderator. So ano nga ba ang duties ni moderator? So si moderator kasi class is siya yung nagpo-provide ng discussion topics, and also siya rin yung may authority to clarify or para if halimbawa si Miss Indog is nagbigay siya ng kumbaga kayo yung grupo. So si Miss Indog ngayon is nagbigay siya ng idea dun sa topic na binigay ni moderator dun sa grupo, na which is yung binigay niyang idea or experience dun sa topic na yun is kumbaga invalid or di kaya hindi siya belong doon sa topic or di kaya ito is out of topic. So now, si moderator is hindi niya yun i-approve. Siya yung, kumbaga siya yung magdidesisyon na ialis yung topic na binigay ni Indong. So naiintindihan po ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So pag sinabi natin focus group discussion class is ang aims or ang hangat kasi nito is class is kumbaga mapuhay yung mga opinion kung kayo na, halimbawa kayo na grupo is kukunin ni focus group discussion yung mga idea ninyo. Mga idea ninyo about sa topic na binigay ni moderator. Now, which is through interactive another knowledge or another skills. Like for example, yung program na yun is kumbaga about yun sa pagbibake. So now, sumali kayo doon para, kasi ang goal ninyo is para matuto kayo ng kumbaga kung paano mag-bake or another skills or another learning or attitude. So now, ang goal ni ICE is i-gather niya yung mga natutunan niyo doon sa loob ng program na yun. And also, ang process na yung class is ginagamit siya ni institution para malaman niya or mapatunayan niya na kumbaga nakuha niyo yung mga needs niyo dun sa loob ng program. So now, ang aims ni ICE kasi class is like for example, diba yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina na program, diba class is may tatanong muna ako sa inyo. Diba, paano ba kinukuha ni teacher yung inyong mga grado? Kumbaga, kung anong way, paano ba niya kinukuha yung kumbaga, yung mga grado nyo? Yes, Raisa, do you have idea?
Mom, written exam, written quiz, participation, and also the achievement of the student according to the learning.
Okay, so tama. Tama po yun. Kasi, di ba sabi ko kanina is ginagather ni ICE yung kumbaga natutunan niyo, kumbaga yung skills nyo. And now, is ang layunin niya is kumbaga para patunayan na kumbaga is karapat-rapat na ba kayo magturo sa ibang mga tao or di kaya karapat-rapat kumbaga deserve na bang or di kaya kaya nyo na bang magturo sa ibang tao, which is yung natutunan nyo ba is kaya nyo na bang i-share. So now, tulad ng sinabi niya, so ang tanong ngayon is ma'am, sa anong paraan? So ganito yan siya, class. Tulad ng sinabi ni Indong, and diba sa ginagawa ng teacher natin is nakukuha ni ma'am yung grado natin through what? Through demonstration, through exam, or written work, diba? So ganun din si ICE. Ganun din yung paraan or process ng pagkuha niya ng kumbaga skills na nakuha niya sa program na yun. Ganun din siya nagbibigay siya ng demo, kumbaga pinapagawa niya yung itinuro niya. And then, tulad din sa teacher natin, pinapa-exam tayo para makuha ni teacher yung grado na pag-serving natin. Kumbaga, dun mapapatunayan kung may natutunan ba tayo or wala. So, that's all, guys. So, may tanong po ba kayo? So, are you good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, so before ko makalimutan is meron tayong assignment. So, okay, class, your assignment is na 1/2 sheet of paper is tulad ng kanina, group 1 and group 2 kanina is yung grupo na yung same din. And then, ang gagawin nyo is magsusulat kayo ng isang topic na i-discuss ninyo. So, naiintindihan po ba?
Yes.